everyone!
Hi, I'm Jasper.
And I'm Kyla.
And we are here at Centrina Alaminos, Laguna to show you the 5 model house. Hi, I'm Jasper. I'm here at Centrina Alaminos, Laguna to show you this Amira model house. Amira model house has 142 square meter floor area and 121 square meter lot area with carport. As we open the door, makikita natin ang ating living area, dining area, kitchen, toilet and bath, and ating office area. Now we will go to second floor. Now we are here at second floor, and this is the balcony. So this is the first bedroom. The toilet and bath, second bedroom, lastly is master's bedroom. Master bedroom has walk-in closet and also toilet and bath. Let's go. So this is the attic. Amira model house has living area, dining area, kitchen area, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, attics, and carport.